Hey, what's up? Welcome to this channel. I don't even know what this channel is, but yeah, so here we are. Currently you're watching me poke holes in my headliner, and yeah, it's, I don't know. Basically what I'm doing in this video is installing the Starry Night headliner. You know, like what a Rolls Royce has. As you can see, I'm already losing my sanity. If I even had sanity to begin with. There's my dad checking out my stupid project, making fun of me. And then he goes. He got mad at me because I had the headliner on the foosball table at first, and he didn't like that, so I moved it over to the dinner table in the basement. Then I'm continuously poking holes, hundreds and hundreds of holes, literally 200 holes. And then I ended up having to re-poke all of those holes because none of them were big enough because I'm smart. So yeah. It's pretty boring to watch this, so I'm just gonna cut for you. Actually, I'm gonna let you watch me suffer for these last couple seconds. And then me back with losing my sanity. Alright. As you can see, I am losing my mind from those time lapses. Needle. I have to poke 200 holes. Sorry for the weird lighting. Got fluorescent bulbs down here, so it kind of freaks out the camera. Okay. And also sorry for the mess. This is my basement. My family lives here. Let's get me poking one hole. This one hasn't been poked yet. Boom. And that's how you poke 200 holes in your headliner to ruin it and also put in cool lights. Okay, so now my girlfriend and her friend showed up. My girlfriend's the one in the black and her friend's the one in the red. And they're helping me, well, attempting to help me finish poking the holes. And eventually we started to actually thread the fiber optic through the holes. Here's Macy pointing the hot glue gun at everybody and playing with candy canes. Then here's a short little clip of me starting to glue them on after we got them all in. Fuck snow. All my homies hate snow. Fuck snow. Bitch. Bitch. Okay. Hopefully you can see what's going on here. Interior torn apart. Headliner's over here. About to put the headliner back in there. Ah, that sucks. Okay. I don't know why Chevy likes to use cardboard and crappy materials, but early 2000s Chevy apparently used silicone caulking and cardboard as headliner insulation. So I said, I don't need that, and I took it out. So now what I have to do is somehow finagle this headliner, which is right here, back into here. This is about to be really interesting. Here is said headliner. Freshly installed Starry Night bullshit, as you do. How the hell did I get this thing out? I really don't even know. This is about to be interesting. Gotta... Where did I fold it in half last time? Where's the crease? Right here. Okay. So put it in. Okay. So. Okay. There's a bunch of crap in the way. Oh! probably staring at my butt right now. That's okay. Take a picture, it'll last longer, right? So this has to do. Now what I have to do is scoot the seat all the way forward. Hopefully I don't break anything doing this, because who knows. And then lean the seat all the way back. And then I gotta go on the other side, lean the other front seat all the way back. Okay. Okay. Now, how hard is it to take a door off of a car? Because, man, that would make it easy, but I cannot do that. It'd be a lot easier to do it from the front passenger, but I don't have a way to do that because I put my car in the wrong way, apparently. So, we're just going to send it. Whip around. Oh, that fell off. That's not supposed to fall off yet. Alright. Fold this sucker in half. Oh, it's stiff. There we go. Now, we should just slide in. Hey! That went smoother than I expected. Not in all the way though. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Come on. So close. Now, my arm is stuck. There we go. And it's in. Now, oh shit. Oh, I'm kind of okay with that. What a great idea, right? Okay. Now this sucker needs to come up. Get out of the way. Unfold. Unfold. Without snapping in half, please. Hey! I mean, it's kind of in there. Oops. I don't know if that was... Is that broken? Oh, of course it's broken. This looks really goofy. That seat's in the way. I can put these back seats back down now. It'd be much easier if I had two people. But since I don't, I'm making do. There. There. Whoop. Something broke. It's alright. Stuff breaks. It's okay. Ow. That hurted. Okay. Now I gotta get up. Okay. Holy shit. Oh. Ow. That shit hurt. Alright. 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 Okay. 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 Let's see if this is even long enough. So this sucker goes right. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's perfect length. Okay. Okay. It's alright. I can rehab glue a couple of them. A couple of them broke. Woo! I got it back in! Yes! Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, no. Now I have to go with the wiring back in. Oh, this is the worst part now. God. I dragged my hand across some fiber optic cable and it cut me. You see that? I got a big crease in my hand. You probably can't see crap on camera. It's alright. Okay. Alright. Let's get a close-up of this. Alright. Here we go. Got this all in. This buddy here. One broke. That's alright. It's okay. I was expecting a couple of them to break, but that's alright. Okay. Now. Aw, crap! The wiring harness fell underneath! No! Okay. I'm gonna get my hot glue gun, hot glue the wiring back on, and then start bolting this thing back together. Whew. Okay. Okay. All the wiring is back glued on. For the lights in the headliner, like the little clicky thingy, you know? Whatever, you don't know. That's okay. But those are back in. All the wiring's glued in. Now what I have to do, sorry for the awkward lighting, there's a huge light right here. I have to lift it back up by myself and somehow hold it up while I try and screw some stuff back in. This is going to be really interesting and probably hilarious to watch because it's going to suck for me. But we're about to just send it, bud. Okay. Let's get a better view of what I'm doing, because I'm going to be sitting right there. All right. Lift this sucker. Scoot the dang seat back. Scoot back, you dang seat. Come on. Keep her going. There we go. Okay. Alright. Gloves. Nothing. Oh, I need those. Okay. Now. Man, wouldn't it be great if I had a second person? Okay. Oh crap. Where's my nut or driver thing? Oh crap. Oh, it's right here. I'm blind. Oh, my phone. It is ringing. The phone is ringing! Alright, I'm going to take one last clip before I finish wiring, before my phone dies. My buddy Presley came over and helped me. Him and his girlfriend helped me. Got the headliner back in. You probably can't see shit. Hold on. Got the headliner back in. Everything's good to go. I just got to finish wiring it up. Oh, I didn't want to turn that off yet. Okay. So, I'm going to go through the cigarette lighter like my other lights are. As you can see. Got this thing. I'm just going to splice the wires right into here. And it's going to work. Because if it doesn't, I'm going to cry. Alright, that's probably the last clip you're going to see until they're actually working. So, here's a last look at it. The wires are hanging out back there. Let's do it. I got it done. I am so happy right now. Holy crap. It's wired up. Oh. Where's my... There's a flashlight. I don't know what you can see, but the wiring's a little bit scuffed. But that doesn't matter. What matters is that it works. Turn these suckers back on. I'm so happy right now. It is 12:13 right now. I have been working on this all day. No, not all day. I guess I started putting everything back together at about 5 o'clock today. So I'm gonna cry. I'm so happy right now. It's so cold. Alright. Turn all this shit off. I need to go to bed. I'm exhausted. I just push that button. Oh, wait. I'll leave that on. Leave that on. And then to turn it all off, I just push this button. Okay. Alright. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, if you've even made it this far. It's been a shit show. It's been, let's see, 1, 2, 3 days of work. Oh my god. I probably put in over a day, 24 hours of work into this stupid project. And now that it's done, I'm very, very happy. You know what? I'm gonna keep this on for the outro. I'm so happy. Now I just gotta put everything back together. My interior's still torn apart, and I gotta, the box, the freaking fiber optics aren't long enough, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with the box. I might just have to cut this piece of trim so the box will fit, and then I might just like zip tie the box down or something. I don't know. We'll see. I'm freezing. It's over midnight, and I'm gonna go to bed. So thank you for watching. I will see y'all later. Turn that up and